Students, today we will study the third method of calculation of goodwill is capitalization method. In this we will study the two subparts, capitalization of average profit or capitalization of super profit. In last two methods, first we have studied how to calculate the average profit, second we have studied how to calculate the super profit. Now these two profit will be used to capitalized in a capitalized way. In capitalized way means the rate of return will be reversed, like 10% will be written as 100 by 10. Like first is the capitalization of average profit. Under this, goodwill is calculated by deducting capital employed. Capital employed means net assets as on the date of valuation, and that capital employed will be deducted from the capitalized value of average profit on the basis of normal rate of return. Now we'll see the steps how to calculate the goodwill on the basis of capitalization of average profit. There are four steps. First, average profit. First of all, we have to calculate the average profit. Now second, capitalized value of the firm. This is important. The formula is average profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Now step third, that is also we studied in previous methods, capital employed. We have to find out the capital employed means net assets, and the formulas of calculating the capital employed is the simple method may be given. Net assets is equal to all assets minus outside liabilities. Sometime in the questions assets or outside liabilities are given, then you will use this first formula to calculate the capital employed. The formula is net assets is equal to all assets except goodwill, fixed assets, non-trade investments minus outside liabilities. Then outside liabilities, from liability side, total capital plus reserve minus fixed assets minus goodwill minus non-trade investments. So from this way we will calculate the third step, capital employed. Now step 4, that is the important, and you will see the change here in the calculation of the formula of goodwill. Here formula is capitalized value minus capital employed. Capitalized value we have find out in step 2 and capital employed we find out in step 3. When we will deduct these two factors, we will find out the value of goodwill. In simple word, we can say that capitalized value, in second step we will say capitalized value means we will take it as a estimated amount of capital which should be implemented by all the organizations, and capital employed means this is a actual capital invested by the firm. Like आपकी फर्म है और आप एक इंडस्ट्री का पार्ट हो और बाकी इंडस्ट्री में जितनी फर्म्स हैं वो एक एवरेज प्रॉफिट जो हमें दिया होगा उतना एवरेज प्रॉफिट अर्न करने के लिए मिनिमम कितना पैसा उनको लगाना चाहिए था, that is capitalized value means estimated capital which should be invested. It may be 1 lakh 2 lakh. And capital employed means आपकी फर्म ने उतना ही प्रॉफिट कितनी कैपिटल लगा के अर्न कर लिया. लाइक बाकी फर्म्स 1 लाख रुपए लगा के 10,000 रुपये कमाती है और आपकी फर्म ने 80,000 रुपये लगा कर ही 10,000 रुपये कमा ली. इतना इसका मतलब कितना कैपिटल कम लगाया आपने, कितना पैसा बचाया. बाकी फर्म्स ने 1 लाख लगाया, आपकी फर्म ने 80,000 लगा के प्रॉफिट अर्न कर लिया. मीन्स 20,000 रुपये आपने सेव किए अपने पैसे, और वो सेविंग्स इन इन्वेस्टमेंट इज़ नोन एज गुडविल, वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल इन एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड. तो इसमें कैपिटलाइज्ड वैल्यू, कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट में हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि कितना पैसा आपकी फर्म ने बचाया और सेम प्रॉफिट अर्न कर लिया. द सेविंग इन इन्वेस्टमेंट इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ गुडविल. लेट्स सी वन न्यूमेरिकल. Here numerical 34 is given. From the following particulars, calculate value of goodwill of the firm by capitalization of the average profit method. Here some information are given. Profit of last 5 consecutive years ending 31st March are given. 2020 54,000, 2019 44,000, 42,000, 2018 39,000, 2017 67,000, 2016 59,000. तो अगर यहाँ पे कोई लॉस होता है तो उसको माइनस करना होता है. capitalization rate 20%, net assets of the firm is 2 lakhs. Now we'll see the solution. In this, first of all, we will find out the, according to the steps we have discussed earlier, first we have to find out the average profit by adding all these profits of 5 years divided by 5. Find out the average profit is 52,200. Now capitalized value of the firm is equal to average profit into 100 by normal rate of return. We will get 2,61,000. Net assets given is 2 lakhs. Goodwill आएगी, capitalized value of the firm minus net assets means step 2 minus step 3. 2,61,000 minus 2 lakh will get the value 61,000. So this 61,000 मतलब बाकी फर्म्स 2,61,000 इन्वेस्ट करती हैं 52,200 एवरेज प्रॉफिट अर्न करने के लिए, और आपकी फर्म ने 2 लाख रुपए लगाकर ही वो प्रॉफिट अर्न कर लिया। मीन्स आपकी फर्म ने 61,000 रुपीज़ कैपिटल का सेव किया है, एंड दैट इज़ ओनली ड्यू टू द गुडविल ऑफ योर फर्म। आपको इतना पैसा कम लगाकर भी इतना प्रॉफिट मिल गया। दिस इज़ अ एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड।